This session explores the architecture of peace and its first obstacle, drawing on A Course in Miracles, Chapter 19, Section 4a. We will examine how peace is structured within us, what blocks its expression, and how recognizing these inner dynamics can transform our relationships and our impact on the world. Peace begins in a central sanctuary within the mind. At the core, you are the source from which peace radiates. This inner center is its dwelling place, always present, never leaving you. From there, peace expands outward, reaching everyone you encounter. Our task is to recognize ourselves as this stable center. To extend peace, we must first host it. On the left, peace is welcomed and radiates freely. On the right, it has been made homeless, pushed out by fear and attack. The text reminds us, if we try to evict peace, it cannot abide in us. The first obstacle is our own hidden wish to be rid of peace. Here, we meet the first obstacle, a small remnant of attack we still value. It forms a fragile ring around the light, casting shadows and limiting peace's extension. This little wall of hatred attempts to restrict what is actually limitless. Our work is to notice this cherished grievance and question its value. The ego's defenses look impressive, yet they are as weak as sand, dust, a feather, or a tiny grain. Each image represents a different form of resistance to peace. Spiritually, these are only loose particles, easily scattered, lacking real structure. Recognizing their fragility reduces our fear of letting them go. The ego imagines a massive wall, strong enough to hold back God and the universe. In reality, this barrier is only a small mound of sand before an infinite light. What seems mighty is actually trivial. Whatever we think we are protecting behind this wall is itself just a minor illusion, not our true self. The little wall first appears solid, but under the gentle touch of peace, it quietly crumbles. As it dissolves, nothing violent occurs. The structure simply cannot stand. Once gone, peace flows in smooth, unhindered waves. This illustrates that surrender, not struggle, is the effective strategy for inner change. Initially, the barrier seems to have a mighty purpose, a firm dedication to separation and guilt. When we question this purpose, the structure is uprooted. What was once fixed becomes a drifting cloud of dust and a feather, moving aimlessly. Without our belief, the obstacle loses direction and authority. As the ego's barrier wanders, its path looks erratic and unpredictable. Yet this very instability reveals weakness, not strength. The feather's random motion causes only tiny ripples in the steady flow of love beneath it. A tightly organized delusional system is, in fact, the most unstable structure of all. When the barrier finally falls, peace does not remain private. It sends its messengers from you to the world. Each interaction becomes an opportunity to extend calm, understanding, and forgiveness. Other barriers collapse just as easily because the same light that freed you now works through you for others. Overcoming the world is portrayed as no harder than releasing this small bank of sand. In the temple of healing, every miracle is already present within a relationship once the wall is gone. By surrendering our tiny defenses, we allow a comprehensive healing to emerge, benefiting both ourselves and those we serve.